be the Science Hall. Student Union building.
Well, I wasn't one of like
Bell, USS Corpus Christi. And they got fan palms. Christmas decorations. Must be 12:30. All right, this is don't know what this is. Oh, John F. Lynch Hall. All right, they got the Christmas bulbs. Texas A&M University Kingsville campus. Why? There's the post office. All right. Here we go. There's the football stadium. And here I am right here. Nice courtyard. The Fighting Javelinas. Boy, look at this central part right here. Let's go down here and look at the statue. Here they are, the Fighting Javelinas. College Hall. And this right here is Jones Lewis. Lorraine Jones Lewis Hall. That must be a women's dorm. College Hall, built 1949. I like the bell tower. You know what's funny is it's a pretty big campus, but you don't see many bicycles. Look, there's just one on that rack. When I was at the University of Oregon, man, there were bicycles everywhere. Same thing with UCSB, University of California at Santa Barbara. Art gallery and little theater. Don't know what this is. There's a few more bicycles here. Look how they do the pattern in the sidewalk.